Hey guys, welcome back, or welcome if you're new. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Head on over to Instagram to check out some looks that are not available on YouTube. Today we are doing some vampire inspired nails in honor of Ronnie Radke of Falling in Reverse's new video for I Am Not a Vampire. Now we're going to do something a little bit different today, and I am going to show you the music video of I Am Not a Vampire. Most of you do know that we do a lot of hip-hop music on this channel, so this is some rock music, and forewarning, it does have explicit lyrics, but the man is extremely talented. And if you have not heard of Falling in Reverse, you should definitely check out some of their other songs. Popular Monster, for example, was at #1 for well over a year and a half, and is definitely deserving of the spot. I do have some Popular Monster inspired nails that I'll be putting on here soon, so we'll have those, and I will play that music video as well. So if you're not interested in going and checking out that video by yourself, then stay tuned and we'll show that on here as well. But we are doing the A-Press dupe method, which is the gel nails that we adhere to the nails with gel. Now I have on the peelable base coat because I do not intend on keeping these nails on. So if you did, you would definitely need to do the normal prep, which of course is the dehydration, the primer or protein bond, file the surface of course to make everything adhere, and then go ahead and add the base coat and the gel on there to adhere the nail on, and you should have no lifting, a pretty good bond for a while. Now, all the products that I use, I do try to show you guys in the video before I use them or directly after. If for any reason I have missed a product or you're wondering what something is, I will try to list it in the description. If it's not listed there, please shoot a comment and I can try to find it for you and let you know exactly what that is. Also, check out some of the other videos on the site if you have not subscribed before. I do have all kinds of videos, and in this video we are going to be using regular nail polish, gel polish, and using the makeup sponge method to kind of dab on some paint as well as some chrome powders. So I will go ahead and let you guys watch this process, and the music video should be coming up shortly. Also, please make sure you stay tuned and watch that. That is an epic production. It is movie quality, so I hope you guys like it and appreciate it. Thank you.
show.